I'm not sure if I posted this video, but our tires came in. They are Crossmax all-season tires. They have a 600 tread rating. They're directional tires, A temperature, A traction. They're the Crossmax CT-1 Touring. So we got these tires coming in, and I'm going to show you guys, and that's going to go on the 2016 Kia Optima. The front tires are shot. The rear tires have cracks in them. Probably not safe to be driving it, but we're going to show you guys how to use this Harbor Freight manual tire changer. At first I didn't really know how to use it, but I think I'm getting better at it. So if I could show you guys how to use this, and you may want to pick one up yourself. We have the attachment from Amazon, so I'll be showing you guys how to use it. The attachment to make removing and put on the tires a lot easier. For balancing the tires, the bubble balancer I have, I don't think I get good results. It's only supposed to be for 15-inch tires. So I don't even know where it's at. So we're not gonna use the bubble balancer, but we have a K2's tire balancing machine coming tomorrow. I'm so excited. However, I have no space to put it at. That's what I should be doing today, trying to figure out where am I going to put this tire machine. Oh my God.